Hello guys and welcome to A Squad Airsoft. Today we're gonna show you how to turn down the velocity of your Tippmann M4. But first let's see and hear how it shoots out of the box. To our surprise, it clocked in at around 450 FPS with 0.2 grain BBs. So we decided to turn in the velocity pin all the way, which should be around 2 rotations clockwise. Just push in the back body pin. Give a slight tap. Nothing should fall out, so you can hold it however you want. Tippmann includes all the tools you need to disassemble and reassemble your gun. Also, this is our HPA setup. It's the same for CO2, only your FPS will be a lot less consistent. Never remove the velocity screw, and to reassemble just reverse all the steps. Now your Tippmann M4 will shoot under 300 FPS, but to put it back to 350, which is our regulated FPS limit up to 10 FPS, now open the screw just half a turn and voila, 350 FPS. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments if you want to see something else or something more. Also, if you're into tech news, I recommend you watch the videos from Just Like Tony. There's a link in the description. See you guys later.